Older men will make younger women chase them with these tips. Attracting younger women isn't just about age. It's about the qualities an older man brings to the table. Some men naturally draw women toward them, while others struggle for attention. The secret lies in developing key traits that make a man irresistibly attractive. These qualities, rooted in psychology and real-life experiences, create an undeniable pull that makes a younger woman chase an older man instead of the other way around. If you want to master the art of attraction, focus on building these 10 powerful traits that separate high-value men from the rest. 1. Sense of humor and playfulness. A great sense of humor can instantly win a woman's heart. Women are naturally drawn to men who make them laugh because humor lowers stress, builds emotional connections, and creates unforgettable moments. Older men who develop a playful and witty personality appear youthful, confident, and fun to be around. However, humor is not about cracking random jokes. It's about understanding the situation and using the right kind of humor. A mature man who knows how to be playful without being childish or over the top is highly attractive. Light-hearted teasing, situational humor, and clever remarks make conversations engaging. Balance is key. Excessive humor without depth can make a man seem immature. A high-value man knows when to joke and when to be serious. This ability to switch between humor and deep conversations keeps a woman intrigued, making her want to spend more time with him. 2. Good communication skills and wisdom. Women are highly attracted to men who can hold deep, engaging, and meaningful conversations. Older men often have a refined way of expressing themselves, which makes them more interesting and attractive. Good communication isn't just about talking, it's about listening, observing, and responding thoughtfully. Many younger men focus too much on impressing a woman rather than truly hearing what she has to say. A mature man listens attentively, making a woman feel valued and understood. When she feels heard, she naturally develops a stronger emotional bond. Wisdom also plays a significant role. A man who shares insightful perspectives on life, relationships, and personal growth creates an intellectual connection. Effective communication includes non-verbal cues like confident eye contact, a calm tone of voice, and engaging body language. A man who knows when to speak and when to stay silent exudes power. Silence, when used correctly, creates an air of mystery, making a woman want to learn more about him. 3. Living a purpose-driven life. A man with a clear sense of purpose naturally attracts attention. Women admire men who are driven, passionate, and committed to something greater than themselves. Whether it's a career, a business, a personal mission, or a creative passion, having a strong purpose makes a man stand out. A purpose-driven man does not depend on external validation to feel fulfilled. He does not chase after women because he is already busy working on his goals. This independence and ambition make him more desirable because women are naturally drawn to men who have direction and stability. Additionally, purpose brings confidence and leadership qualities. A man who knows what he wants and actively works toward it is seen as more attractive than someone who drifts through life aimlessly. 4. Being well-groomed and stylish. Physical appearance may not be everything, but how a man presents himself speaks volumes about his self-respect and confidence. Women are naturally attracted to men who take care of themselves. Good grooming includes maintaining clean, trimmed nails and fresh breath, wearing well-fitted, stylish clothes that suit his personality, keeping a well-maintained hairstyle and facial hair, smelling good with a signature cologne. Style doesn't mean wearing expensive brands. It's about knowing what fits your body type and enhances your personality. Women love men who dress with purpose and pay attention to small details, such as a classic watch, well-polished shoes, or a tailored blazer. Beyond appearance, body language is key. A man who walks with purpose, maintains strong eye contact, and has an open, relaxed posture exudes confidence. 5. Providing exciting and unique experiences. Women are naturally drawn to men who bring adventure and excitement into their lives. A high-value man does not settle for boring, repetitive dates. Instead, he creates unforgettable moments by introducing her to new places, cuisines, or hobbies. Excitement doesn't have to mean luxury trips or expensive gifts. It's about making a woman feel alive and emotionally engaged. A man who breaks the routine and offers unique experiences creates a lasting impression, making a woman chase after him instead of the other way around. 6. Independence and non-clingy attitude. Nothing is more attractive than a man who is comfortable in his own company and does not rely on others for emotional fulfillment. Women admire men who have their own lives, hobbies, and goals instead of constantly seeking validation. An independent man values his personal space and respects the woman's freedom, is emotionally secure and doesn't seek constant attention, has a strong sense of self-worth and doesn't need to prove himself. When a man does not chase or act needy, it creates a sense of mystery. A woman feels the need to earn his attention, making the chase more exciting. 7. Being a great listener and giving valuable advice. Women deeply appreciate men who listen attentively and make them feel emotionally safe. Many younger men are too focused on themselves, while an older, more mature man knows that understanding a woman's emotions is the key to attraction. A great listener makes eye contact and is fully present in conversations, asks thoughtful questions instead of just giving surface-level responses, offers valuable advice and emotional support. Additionally, offering guidance and wisdom makes a man even more attractive. A woman naturally seeks a man who can challenge her thinking, inspire her, and help her grow. 8. Emotional control and maturity. Emotional stability is one of the biggest factors that separate high-value men from the rest. Women want a man who can handle life's challenges without losing control. A mature man remains calm under pressure, doesn't overreact, and knows how to manage stress. A man who can control his emotions creates a sense of security. Women are naturally drawn to men who provide emotional stability because it makes them feel safe. 9. Leadership and decision-making skills. Women admire men who take charge and make confident decisions. A man who knows what he wants and isn't afraid to make choices is seen as strong and capable. Being decisive doesn't mean being controlling. It's about having a clear direction in life. Whether it's planning a date, making career moves, or handling challenges, a man who leads with confidence is highly attractive. 10. Mastering the art of mystery. A man who reveals everything about himself too soon loses his appeal. Keeping a bit of mystery makes a woman want to know more. Instead of oversharing, reveal things slowly over time. Mystery creates curiosity, and curiosity leads to attraction. A man who keeps a woman intrigued will always have her attention. Conclusion. Attraction isn't just about looks or wealth. It's about who you are as a man. Women chase older men not because of their age, but because of the qualities they embody. A man who is confident, well-spoken, independent, and exciting becomes irresistibly attractive. If you develop these 10 powerful traits, you won't need to chase women. They will be naturally drawn to you. The key is to continuously improve yourself, embrace your strengths, and exude confidence in everything you do. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to subscribe, and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comment section down below, and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.